Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you the answers of active and passive voice interrogative sentences exercise, and I will explain it also how to do it so that it's easy for you to understand. So let's start it. Sentence number 1. Who wrote this book? I gave you the rule of who when there is one object. So the rule is by whom, then was or were, then object, and then verb third form. So here what is the object? This book. So first by whom, after that was or were. What will we write? Of course was, because this book is singular. And then object this book, and then write third form written. By whom was this book written? This is the answer. Second sentence, what did you buy? See, whenever there is any sentence which is starting with what, you can do like this. Put what at last and consider it as an object, and also just remove did from there. Now what will you get? Your sentence will be like this: you bought what? Why bought? Because there is did, so we'll use second form of the verb. Now change it into passive, so answer will be what was bought by you. So this is the way you can solve the questions which are starting with what. Okay, I hope you have understood. Third, before moving to third, let me tell you one more thing. This rule is not anywhere I have made it, so exceptions are there. Sentence number 3, when do they deliver the mail? I have given you formula for this also. Steps. So step 1, make it affirmative. They deliver the mail, because there is do, so we'll use first form. Now make it passive. The mail is delivered by them. Now make it interrogative. So is will come at first place. Is the mail delivered by them? At last you have to put the question word at first place. So answer will be, when is the mail delivered by them? So isn't it easy? If you will follow these steps which I have given you, it will be very easy, believe me. Sentence number 4. Why did you beat him? First make it make it affirmative. You beat him. This is second form of beat. Then make it passive. He was beaten by you. After that make it interrogative. Was he beaten by you? Now at last what you have to do? You have to put the question word at the first place. So what will be the answer now? Why was he beaten by you? Sentence number 5. Where did you buy it? I have given you the rules for this also. Make it affirmative. You bought it. Why bought? Because there is did. So we'll use second form of verb. Then make it passive. It was bought by you. Now make it interrogative. Was will come at first place. Was it bought by you? And then what will be the answer? We'll put where at the first place. So it will be, where was it bought by you? Sentence number 6. Why should I cut these trees? Make it affirmative. I should cut these trees. Now make it passive. These trees should be cut by me. Again make it interrogative. Should will come at first place. Should these trees be cut by me? Now at last what you have to do? You just have to put the question word at the first place. So what will be the answer? Why should these trees be cut by me? Sentence number 7. When will you raise this question? Affirmative. You will raise this question. Make it passive. This question will be raised by you. Now make it interrogative. Will come at first place. Will this question be raised by you? Now put the question word at first place. Answer. When will this question be raised by you? This is the answer. Now next sentence. When will you buy a car? Make it affirmative. You will buy a car. Make it passive. A car will be bought by you. Again make it interrogative. Will a car be bought by you? Now at last put the question word at the first place. When will a car be bought by you? Now let's see the next sentence, number 9. Which game do you play? Class, here you need to understand one thing, that whenever the sentence is starting with which, you will follow these steps. Here these steps are same, we will just skip one step. Let's see, then it will be more clear. First, make it affirmative. You play game. Now make it passive. Game is played by you. Now after this, what we used to do, we used to make it interrogative. But here if we make it interrogative, it will be is game played by you, and then the answer will be which is game played by you. That sounds incorrect. So we will not go with the third step in which we make it interrogative. We will just put which at the first place. So the answer will be which game is played by you. Sentence number 10. What do you see? It's just simple. Put what at last and consider it as an object, and also remove do. Now you can see if there is do, we will use first form of the verb. So let's go with the steps. First, make it affirmative. You see what? And now you can simply change it into passive. So what will be the answer? What is seen by you? Class, I tried my best to make you understand. I hope you have understood it. If not, please go through the video again. Thank you so much.